Whether riding a scooter or a bike, you must be noticeable to others. This light, for example, will alert others to your every move. Featuring positioning, distress signals, and turn indicators, it makes you visible day or night, thanks to a light sensor that adjusts brightness automatically. The intelligent brake detection system intensifies the rear light to warn those behind you. You can mount the light on either your bike or helmet, and for controls, there's a remote you can also mount within your finger's reach. The battery lasts for up to 8 hours of continuous use before needing a recharge. In fact, it's more than just a light. It allows you to stay connected by sharing your real-time location with loved ones, tracking your ride statistics, and in case of a fall, automatic SMS alerts ensure help is on the way. Just like many other accessories in set, these smart pedals will keep you visible on the road in any lighting conditions. Bright LED panels on both sides glow in 2 different colors. Thanks to the smart sensors, the lights automatically adapt to the pedal position, so white light will always stay in the front and red light will be at the rear. The pedals will automatically turn on when you start riding and shut off when you stop. There are also 3 lighting modes to choose from. Most importantly, the pedals are compatible with almost any bicycle and are easy to install. The light modules are actually detachable, and the magnetic design allows you to mount them on your bike or helmet. You'll get up to 36 hours of use on a single charge. Each module is equipped with a USB port, and there's an included hub that lets you charge up to 4 modules at once. When you're on the road, aim to be as predictable as possible. These wing lights flash day and night when you turn or change lanes. Just tap them once to activate. If you want to signal a turn, tap the corresponding light to set it as a direction indicator. This ensures you're visible from up to 164 feet away, including in blind spots. As side lights, they last up to 150 minutes, and as indicators, the batteries will last for several weeks of continuous use. For installation, once the mounts are in place, simply snap the lights on when you're about to ride and off when you're done. Voila! You now have a keychain with a safety light that looks like something out of Iron Man. Hand pumps require a lot of energy to inflate a tire, and foot pumps are usually bulky. However, this one is very compact. The Stompump is smaller than a can of Coke, but its large piston moves 3 times more air, and using your legs and gravity makes inflating a breeze. What's unusual is that there's even a built-in filter to prevent particles in the air from damaging the internals. Ideal for high-volume, low-pressure tires on mountain, gravel, and fat bikes, it easily handles up to 90 psi and is fully compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves. Here's another option. Everything's pretty simple. You need to connect the device to the bike valve, Presta or Schrader, and push the button twice. Just make sure the pump is charged and toss it in your pocket. It weighs less than 3 ounces. To solve potential issues on the road with your bike, take this multi-tool with you. Super slim and lightweight, it performs 11 different functions. Weighing less than 1 ounce, its honeycomb design slips into tight spaces, making chain jams and maintenance tasks effortless. When you need it, simply hook, fit, and turn to get your chain back on track in seconds. In addition, it includes levers, spoke keys, several wrenches, and various types of drives for other repairs. The Rehook attaches securely to your bike frame with a high-grip silicone strap, ensuring it's always within reach, even on rough terrain. In case you're afraid to lose your bike tools, it's possible to build them right into the steerer tube. The installation takes just 2 minutes, and the result is worth the effort. You'll get a set of 8 tools for the most common tasks, including 6 different hex bits, along with a Torx and flathead screwdriver. Additionally, there's a spoke key that works with a variety of spoke nipples and even acts as a valve core remover. But what about a punctured tire or a broken chain? No problem. Here are a couple of other devices from the same manufacturer to address these issues. Use the reamer to smooth the edges of the hole and then use the plug tool to seal it. And the chain tool will come in handy for quick fixes, ensuring that your ride can continue without interruption. Keep riding, no matter what. Leaving your bike on the street? Use Foldylock to keep it secure and ensure it's just where you left it. This high-security lock quickly unfolds into a 35-inch durable lock in seconds. When the manufacturer says it's sturdy, they mean it's extremely tough. Saws, bolt cutters, crowbars, and hammers won't have any effect. Well, I haven't tested that, but it's impressive. Plus, the metal parts are covered in plastic to protect your bike from scratches. When you're done using it, you can fold it back in under 30 seconds and slip it into a carrying case.